Hello students, welcome back to the online class. In today's video we will learn fourth lesson of your textbook, that is, have you thought of the verb have? Here have verb is something different from the have auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means the helping verb, such as will, such as is, am, are, was, were. Have is also used to form present perfect tenses, and have as main verb is differently used. Those different uses we are going to see in this lesson. So here the writer is asking us, have you thought of the verb have? Means how this have verb is used. Let us read the text of the lesson. How many times do you use the verb have in your conversation or writing? Try to keep a count of it for an hour or so. You think for an hour how we are using this verb have. What do you find? Perhaps you have always thought of this versatile verb. Versatile means a verb or a thing or an object which is used in many things. Verb as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, as we call it, auxiliary or a helping verb. So if you want to form present perfect tenses, you use have or has as a helping verb. But here we are going to see something different. The helping verb have is used to form what we call perfect tenses. Perfect tenses means if present perfect tense is there, we use have. If past perfect tense is there, we use had. If present perfect continuous is there, we use have or has plus verb with the ing form. And this is how we form tenses using the helping verb have. I had, here examples are given, we can see they have come. This is present perfect tense. I had clean forgotten all about it. And to make negative sentences, they haven't come. I hadn't forgotten it. Here, what is the rule for making negative? After the first auxiliary verb or helping verb, we have to use not to make a sentence negative. Here, have is being used as an auxiliary verb. This is why we are applying not to it. Here also had is an auxiliary verb, and we have applied not to the had directly. But as a main verb, it is used to mean much more than you think. But main verb, in different ways we use have as a main verb. So this have is completely different from our helping verb have. So many times you see in the sentences had or he has had, have had. Such formations come. So this double had shows that first had is the helping verb and second had is the main verb. That we will see here. In the following sentences, have indicates possession or ownership of something. My friend has a pet cat. Possession. My friend has a pet cat. Here, my friend has something with him. This possession. My friend possesses something. My friend possesses a pet cat. This possession we are showing here. I have a new pen. I have a new pen. This also showing that you possess a new pen. Do you have a cycle? In this sentence, a question is there. You can see a question. Do you have a cycle? So here if we are using have as a main verb to form question or to form negative sentences, we have to take help of the helping verbs do, does, did, and this is how we make sentences. Come on the fourth example. Our school has 6 computers. This is also showing that ownership or possession, that our school has six computers. The municipality has 6 vans and 2 cars. This is also showing the possession. Come on the next examples. In some cases, have is used to indicate relationships. A different case to show the relationships. I have 2 sisters means this is showing the possession of relationship. I have 2 sisters means there are 2 sisters to you. That thing you want to say. And this is showing the relationship. The couple do not have children. This child, couple means the father and mother of that child. Couple do here used to represent that couple means 2 people are there and they don't have any child. So this child, couple has a relationship with the child. Couple means the father and mother and child is their relative. Here I don't have a brother. Again the sentence is saying about the relationship. Come on the next case, we also use have to refer to eating or drinking. We have breakfast at 8 a.m. Here this sentence is in simple present tense and this sentence shows that your daily habit of taking breakfast is at 8 a.m. Next sentence, have a slice of cake. This sentence is imperative sentence. You are requesting or advising someone have a slice of cake, have a piece of cake, and this is showing you are requesting someone to take or to eat the cake, a piece of cake. What would you like to have means what would you like to eat or take? Tea or coffee means which thing would you like to drink, that you are asking. Can I have a glass of water please? Here you are using can also and have also means can I take a glass of water, this thing you want to ask. Come on the next case, we also use have to refer to events, activities and experiences such as I am going to have a bath in the river. So bath is an activity and it is an experience also. So here you are saying that you are going to take the bath, that experience you are going to take. Let us have a party for your birthday. Party is an event and have we are used here to say that we are going to celebrate or we are going to do the party. The class has a short break. Here a short break is also an event of time. So that also here also we are using has main verb to show the class has a short break at 11 a.m. Did you have a good time? In this sentence has we have used here because the class is used as a singular form. If the plural form you are using, you will have to use have. Did you have a good time at the wedding? So here we are asking about the good time. Did you spend or did you experience a good time? That you are asking. Did you have a good time means did you experience a good time? I have a meeting this evening. I have a meeting this evening. This is also showing that you had some event, you experienced some event, you spent your time in some event and that you are going to show here. Again in the next example, in the next case, have is also used to refer to a medical physical condition. I have a headache. Here you can see a medical physical condition. I have a headache. Here you cannot say I am having a headache. Here you have to say I have a headache. If a continuous action is there, suppose you are taking your meal now and your eating process is going on. So you can say I'm having my lunch, or I'm having my breakfast, or I'm having my dinner. This way you can say, because presently your action is going on. But have verb is mainly used to show the state of being, not continuous action. This is why having we cannot say I have a headache. Even if at present you have a headache, you have to say I have a headache, not I am having a headache. He has a cold. Means he is suffering from cold, fever. That thing you are saying here. Grandfather had a heart attack. Had a heart attack means he suffered a heart attack. Come on the next page. Here we are going to see in sentences where have is used as a main verb, it is always used in the simple present or past. You use it as a simple present or past. You know, in simple present or simple past, we don't use ing form of the verb. I am having a bicycle. Here, frequently we hear such sentences. People say I am having. But at every place you cannot use this having. Very few places are there where you can use this having, such as I am having my lunch. Means your lunch is going on now. If you want to say I have my lunch at 1 o'clock every day, means your daily habit you are telling. So here you have to use I have my lunch every day at 1 o'clock. Here you cannot use I am having. Come on the next example. Here I have illustrated here also. I am having a bicycle is a wrong sentence. What is the correct sentence? I have a bicycle. He is having a cold is a wrong sentence. He has a cold is a correct sentence. I am having a lot of homework. Here also a wrong sentence. I am having. I have a lot of homework is a correct sentence. These are showing the states of being, not the continuous action. This is why state of being. For state of being, you use simple present tense or simple past tense. Similarly, it is not used in the negative form as a main verb. So you can see here, I eat fruits. This sentence is in a simple present tense. If you want to make it negative, you use don't. I don't eat fruits. I eat fruits. I don't eat fruits. You don't say I eat not fruits. I eat not fruits is a wrong sentence, completely wrong. This is why for simple present you use do or does to make it negative or interrogative, and for simple past tense you use did for interrogative and didn't for negative. That we are going to see here. He hasn't a car is a wrong sentence. What is the correct sentence? He doesn't have a car. If you want to say that something you don't possess, or if you want to use the have main verb in negative form or interrogative form, you have to use do, does or did accordingly, according to the tenses. He doesn't have a car. I haven't a cold is a wrong sentence. And what is correct sentence? I don't have a cold. Have fun exploring the uses of have. Here we have seen how to use have as a main verb, and now it is time for exercise English workshop. First sentence, first question you see, add your own sentences to those given in the passage to illustrate the uses of have. Here in the passage some examples are given of uses of have as a main verb, and in this first first question of English workshop, they are asking you to give examples of your own. So make your own sentences for these 6 uses. Uses of have: to show possession, to indicate a relationship, to refer to eating, drinking, to show ownership, to refer to events, activities, and experiences, and to refer to a physical condition. This is your today's homework. For the six uses of main verb have, you have to give two examples of each. For A, two examples, B, two examples, and so on. Two examples you have to give. How to do that is given in the passage in the lesson. These two examples you have to write in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my personal number. Take care. Thank you very much.